platforms, we often deal with multiple AI agents communicating with each other using protocols like Kafka and HTTP. As these systems grow, managing communication between dozens of agents becomes complex. This is where a service mesh like Istio plays a critical role. Instead of adding networking logic into every agent, Istio moves that responsibility to the infrastructure layer. This allows AI agents to focus purely on business logic while the service mesh handles security, reliability, and observability. Let's understand how. First, security with mutual TLS. Istio automatically enables mutual TLS between all services. Every communication between pods is encrypted and authenticated using X.509 certificates. The best part, no code changes are required. The Envoy sidecar handles everything. Next, traffic management. Using configurations like virtual service and destination rule, you can control how traffic flows between agents. You can perform canary deployments like sending 90% traffic to one version and 10% to another. You can even route traffic based on headers or inject faults for testing. Then comes circuit breaking. If a particular AI agent starts failing and returns too many errors, Istio detects it. It temporarily removes that agent from the network, preventing cascading failures across the system. Closely related is automatic retries. If a request fails due to a temporary issue, Istio automatically retries it without the agent needing to handle retry logic. This improves system reliability significantly. Now let's talk about observability. Istio provides deep insights into your system. It captures metrics like request count, latency, and error rates for every service interaction. These metrics are exported to tools like Prometheus and visualized in Grafana. Another powerful feature is timeout enforcement. You can define global timeouts for different interactions like agent to database or agent to inference calls. If a request takes too long, Istio automatically terminates it, preventing resource blocking. For external access, Istio provides an ingress gateway. This acts as a single entry point for all incoming traffic. It handles TLS termination, authentication, and even rate limiting before requests reach your AI agents. Finally, distributed tracing. Istio automatically propagates tracing headers across services. This allows you to visualize the entire request journey from API gateway to orchestrator to individual agents using tools like Jaeger. In summary, Istio transforms complex AI agent communication into a secure, reliable, and observable system without modifying application code. If you want more latest career updates, please subscribe to follow our channel, click bell icon, like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.